Whoa! That actually now was kablammy!
Right you are, fellow co-host. That's because every cartoon on our show has earned the Kablam seal of approval. Guaranteeing you the Kablamiest cartoons on basic cable TV.
I did not know that.
It's our promise to you that on Kablam you'll never see lame-o cartoon crud like Scout Patrol.
Yep, it's definitely Gout.
Or Jeff, the sad dinosaur.
I'm sad. Very sad.
No siree, not kablammy.
But our next cartoon is, in fact, it's so kablammy, they named it twice.
Here's the Louie and Louie Show.